I had one of my turnbuckles failed on me, and what I used as an emergency situation fix was I had a luggage or cargo strap, and I don't know, I think it's got a rating of at least 300 or 600 pounds. So I used the cargo strap hooked onto the torque lift hold down and the hook on the camper, and then cinched it up tight with the ratcheting device, and then I wrapped through the eyes of the hooks. I got 3 additional loops of cargo strap to increase the hold power. So anyway, that is what I did for an emergency fix when my turnbuckle went out on me. And so this is what the turnbuckle did. I'd been around salt on roads, and it failed on me. It just pulled right on through. Let's see if I can get this to, there we go. So you can see it just goes in and out of the turnbuckle easily enough. Okay, so what I did was I purchased a couple of replacements, and I haven't had a chance to put those on. So I'm just going to replace the other aluminum turnbuckle like that, and then we should be good to go. Of course, these are also aluminum, and it looks like the threaded area is from here to here. But I already have 2 others like that, and they've been working fine for years. So, okay, that's my quick emergency fix for a broken turnbuckle.